my J babies, how are you? This is your girl Jay and welcome back to the channel. Okay y'all, yeah, I'm looking like this but I'm gonna fix it. Today's video is going to be on a headband. They call it a headband scarf, which is a headband wig. So this wig comes from HairSpells, and this bag is so beautiful, so beautiful. I decided to just put the package in. It didn't come exactly like this. They give you the bag, but what's inside is even prettier too. So it comes from HairSpell. It's 100% virgin human hair, and the bag, the satin bag, is just it's the bag for me right now. So inside of it, you get the wig, which is in another like mesh long wig bag. It's so beautiful. Now I have been messing with this wig, guys, so I want you to know that, honey, I've been messing with this. So this is the mesh bag. It is so big, honey. I can use it for like 2 wigs. The velvet, the satin bag plus the mesh one. That looks like a 2 wig thing for me. So inside of it, we have the wig. And this wig is 180 density. And it is the Brazilian deep wave wig. Inside of this wig, we have, I love the way that they constructed this. It has a comb right here on the side, a comb in the middle, and a comb right there. So this is all the front part. You need that, okay, for the headband wigs. And it also has a comb in the back. So I did try this on. I've been playing around with it. So you get all of that, and then you get their elastic band that comes with it right here. And I love how this look is very silky, which that we need silkiness for our edges, and it comes with a Velcro. So it's not just a really long one. You can either go here, or you can even take it even closer without it coming loose, okay? So, like I said, this is a deep wave wig, and inside of it, they give you an edge scarf. Oh, everything is packaged so nice. An edge scarf you get with it. Let me just cut this. Isn't it the cutest edge scarf, y'all? Nice edge scarf they give with it. And they also gave me a headband. I've always wanted one of these. I don't know how I look with it, but it is simply gorgeous. And these you can, I think, purchase separately from them. I don't think it comes exactly with the wig, but these are beautiful. So when I received the wig, I went on and just went ham, guys, and just went and bought some more stuff that I probably would like for my headband scarf when I wear it. So this is one that I got, and this is like a glitter headband with the elastic in the back, and it's like $1.99 from my local beauty hair store. I bought also a black one that's like that with the glitter on it. And I also bought like a plain, all these are like $1.99, like one that says Boss. But this is what that looks like right here. It's basically like the mesh headband that they have on here, but it's a little wider. So what I'm going to do is let you know the pattern that I did for my hair. This is very important, y'all, when you wear a headband wig. Now, when you wear these headband wigs, if you're pulling your hair back, and you just put it in a ponytail, this headband wig is not where though you can be able to, I don't care what nobody tell you, you're not going to be able to have this headband wig where it's not sliding back. So you need some anchor braids or something to be able to hold it, like on the sides, so it can be able to hook up in here, and the combs to be able to come, and also in the back. So what I did was just went on and just braided, put a part here, braided my hair this way, that way. That way, this wig will have something to hold on to. So I'm just placing all of the combs. So all of the combs are in, and do you see this? I'm pulling. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead on and take the straps, and I'm going to make it really tight for me, but not to the point where as though I feel like I have a headache. And my hair is like really small. So it's tucked in the back. Y'all forget my little kitchen's back there, but this is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead on and turn around. That way you guys can see what she's looking like. And she is super sexy. This is what she looks like in the back. And this is what she looks like in the front. So They gave me that says sexy. I don't know if I'm going to wear this with this style, but this will come in handy. What I'm going to do is try, first of all, this. And y'all, I am so, like, I don't know, uncomfortable because I don't know if it will work for me because of my style. But I'm going to put it on anyway because they sent it to me. And my head is so small. So I'm just going to just put that up there. Ear come out, honey. So that's what this looks like on me. I can put it back. No, I can't put it back a little further. That's what that looks like on me. And this hair is awesome, girl. Get a look at this hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And y'all, I still feel like this wig is not going anywhere. I'm comfortable, super comfortable. I'm going to go ahead on and try the headband that they gave to me. And just put this on my head. You shouldn't be wigs though when you wearing these. These are falling off. Your wig feel like it's about to fall off because your wig should not be going anywhere. I tried a lot of things that people were saying and the wigs were actually sliding back. I'm like, why is this wig sliding back and it's not supposed to? Here's another style. Girl, I'm starting to like it now. Reason why I'm starting to like it is because it don't feel like it's about to slip off my head. This doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. Not anywhere at all. I feel like I'm comfortable enough and I can be able to put this hair up, honey, and keep it moving. I don't have a black headband, rubber band, so I'm just going to go ahead on and just use this one. It is so beautiful. This hair is amazing. Girl, I feel like I am like, let me try to hide that a little bit. Yes. Big curls, big curls. Yes. I love it. That's how that is. Ooh, this hair is big, baby. It is big. My mirror is all the way down here, so y'all see me ducking trying to get to my mirror. But if you can see this hair, it is amazing. Amazing, honey. Yes. Combing out a little bit more right there. Okay. If you can see this, look at this. I feel like this wig is not going anywhere. It is beautiful. The hair is so super soft and silky. You see how I take that off, y'all? Or even you can even just rock it like this. Period. Okay, here's my boss one. That, yes, honey. Put it on, go. No lace, no glue. No nothing, just go. I want to move this back further. Yeah, and you got your little boss, little situation on, honey. And you can just go. So, because I bought them all, I'm going to go here on. No, I don't feel like putting them all on. But let's say like you don't have any hair scarves. We don't have any hair scarves. Nobody sent me any hair scarves. I have to wear exactly what I have, so. Oh, come through hair. Oh, girl, get a look. It's the hair for me. Okay, period. It's the hair for me. I want this over more. No, this one goes toward the back. And this one. Okay. This hair is beautiful, honey. Let's put that toward the back. Yes. So this is what this hair looks like. Amazing. Amazing. So this hair is from HairSpells. And if you use, oh, wait a minute, say it has their story on there and how to maintain, y'all. And then it also has on there how to connect with them. And this is their website right here. And if you use J10, you'll be able to get a $10 coupon. People ask, why do we get coupons? We get coupons because of the fact that they know that we need to give back to our subscribers, okay? That's the reason why we get coupons. So, this is the look, honey. And this is what I'm rocking today. I don't even want nothing else. I want this headband on, and I'm going to rock this in this outfit today. Okay? So, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And everything you need will be down in the description box. The description box is always key, okay? So, J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.